Hello folks, Jim here with the Twin Home Experts. We got called out for a pretty severe mold issue in a tub and shower. So the first step in the remediation process is to build a critical barrier at the doorway, along with placing an air scrubber device outside the affected area, which we've done. And when you're doing remediation, it's always important to have a Tyvek and all the protective equipment, respirator, rubber gloves. Okay, as you can see, we're mixing our antimicrobial and getting it prepared for the actual treatment. All right, so we'll show you the next step. This is our first neutralizer spray that we use. This goes way deep in the cell structure of the caulking and starts to neutralize the mold. So the next step is to do the first initial wipe down. As you can see, it's coming right off. You know, bleach, scrubs, things of that sort do not work effectively in this type of contamination. Okay folks, and as you can see here, our rapid mold tub and shower mold removal has completely eradicated and removed and cleaned, sanitized this tub. There you go. As always, thanks for watching.